Od bura mamalo kotelne kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula kod jo od bura oywago maneno gai mar ODM kendo Prime Minister machon Raila Odinga kaka jatelo manogeno Kenya kendo noketo chunye e piny mar Kenya. Od bura koni Raila ne oyiero kwe kod demokrasia motelo ne dwache en owuon. Raila oywag kaka jal mane okedo ne loch mag ratiro kod jiwo katiba.
This house joins the country in this somber state, and we'll have an opportunity for each and every one of you to eulogize the late Prime Minister tomorrow. Time is likely to move pretty fast in preparation for his official send-off in a state funeral. So tomorrow is the only day available for all of us. Like it was said in Shakespearean England, the Queen is dead, long live the Queen. Raila is dead, long live Baba. And that is the mood in the country. And we shall be sending our condolences to Mama Ida, our elder brother, Dr. Bura Odinga, Senator, Prime Minister's children, Rosemary, Junior and Winnie, and the entire family, and the much larger political family that includes all of us.